Hello children, how are you? Okay, I hope you are all fine. Okay children, welcome to the EVS online class. Today's session we are going to learn about public places. Children, can you say any public places? You know? Okay, very good, very nice answer. School is one of the public place. Then bank, okay, very good, very nice answer. Hospital, park, okay, okay children. Not only this, we have many public places in our surroundings. Library, we have library in our school, isn't it? Okay. Library is one of the public place. Library is one of the public place. We get more information from library. We read books. Through the books we get more information. And then we improve our day-to-day life knowledge also. Okay. And the next one, post office. Post office is one of the public place. Post office is one of the public place. We can get what? Stamp. Okay. We can buy from post office the stamp, England letters, and then we can send speed post, and then most of the nowadays people use like the ATM. How we take money from the bank, like that we can take money from the post office also. Okay, if we give our Aadhaar Xerox, they use our Aadhaar Xerox and then give the money like the ATM. We use this service. Okay, and then we can send letters also. This is the very oldest way, but nowadays we write the letters through the mail, our computers, isn't it? Okay children. And then museum. Okay, museum is one of the public place. Students, you know museum? What is museum? Okay, we can see very ancient pictures and informations. We can get. We can go through from the museum. We can go through the information from the museum. We can see ancient pictures, tools, and then very old, very primitive information we can get from the museum. If you go there, you can collect more information like library. Okay, and then another one, bus stand is one of the public places. And the next one, airport. What's the use of airport? Very nice, very good answer. We can go from one place to another pair of places. Okay, we can go from our country to another country and our state to another state. We can easily go very short period we can go. Okay, so we select airlines, airport service. Okay, and then now look at the slide. EVS class 1 unit 4 public places. Children, let us read this. Okay, first one, airport. Read airport. Again read airport. Next one, railway station. What children? Railway station. Again say railway station. Airport is one of the public place. Railway station is one of the public place. We use a train from one place to another. Okay, and then we have many types of railway service. We have good service. From the train we can send goods through the goods train, and then we can have service passengers service train, and then express. Express is one of the kind of train. We can go far places. This train. Okay, and the next one, palace. What is that? Palace. Palace is one of the public place. And next one, fort. In ancient time, our kings had fort and palace, but nowadays we can see in our country many places. Okay, if you go tour, you can see. Okay, and then next one, park. Park is one of the public place. What's the use of park? Yeah, there is the answer. We can play, we can walk, and then we have fun. So you enjoy this place with your friends. Okay, and then school. School is one of the public place. Why do we call public place? Very good. Children say anyone can go and come here. It is not individual person's place. Keva. All places in a town where anyone can go. These places. Okay? Park, school, hospital. These are the public places. These public places help us in many ways. Okay? And then what's the use of school? Very good. We learn many new things from our school, like song, and then children say, very good, we are playing in our school ground, and then in every day we learn new things. Every day we learn new things, isn't it? Okay, and the next one, hospital. What's the use of hospital? Yeah, very good, very nice answer. Doctor examine the patients. Okay, doctors check the patients if they are fall sick. Okay, so at the time we go to our hospital. We go to the hospital. So hospital is one of the public place. Hospital is one of the public place. We can take X-ray here. We can take X-ray, ECG, and then children say, what are they? happening there? Can you say? Very good. They take what, children? Treatment and then surgery. Very good. If we affect injuries, at the time they take care of ourselves, isn't it? Okay. So hospital is one of the public place. Next one. What is this? Bank. What, children? Bank. Bank is one of the public place. What's the use of bank? Yeah, very good answer. We can save our money through the saving account. Whenever we want money, at the time we can take through the account or ATM. We can use ATM facility also. Okay, what? We have ATM in any time. At any time we can take. Whenever we need the money, at the time we insert the card and take the money through the ATM. This facility give bank through our bank. And then our jewels also we can protect our bank. Okay, we can protect our jewels to the bank. Okay, and then next one, what, children? Museum. From the museum we can get more information. We can see very old, very primitive things in the museum. Okay, if you I think you go to the museum. Okay, children. And the next one, now see the slide. Dear children, you take your book, page number 45, student reader 1. I give you time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. First one, introduction. Our home. We live in our home. Students, read this. Follow me. We live in our home with our family. Again I read. We live in our home with our family. Our home protects. Protects means saves. Read the word protects us from the sun, rain and wind. You can easily understand from this picture. Okay, and the next one, we eat, sleep and live in our home. Again I read, we eat, sleep and live in our home. And the next one, rooms. A house has different rooms. A house has different rooms. Again I read, a house has different rooms for different uses. First one, kitchen. This is where you cook. This is where you cook food. It has the stove to cook food. It has a stove to cook food. And the next one, bedroom. This is where you sleep. This room where you sleep. It has beds. It has beds. Underline this word. It has beds to sleep. Okay, children. Again I read. Follow me. We live in our home with our family. Our home protects us from the sun, rain and wind. The next one, we eat, sleep and live in our home. The next one, rooms. A house has different rooms for different uses. First one, kitchen. This is where you cook food. It has a stove to cook food. The next one, bedroom. This is where you sleep. It has beds to sleep. Let us see next one. Children, listen the slide. You can use your book also. Okay. And then next one, living room. This is where you sit or meet with your guest when they visit your home. Let us read again. Living room. This is where you sit or meet with your guest when they visit your home. And the next one, children, now look at the slide. Home to street. Our home is on a street. Say the word street. Again, read this word street. Can you say again? Street. Home to street. Our home is on a street. Our home is on a street. Say the spelling of street. Very good. Yes. T-R-E-E-T. Street. Let us see next one. Children. Dear children, listen to worksheet. Worksheet number 4. Page number 77. Worksheet number 4. Page number 77. Rooms in my home. I give you time. Take your worksheet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Children, I think you ready? Okay. First one, draw one thing in each room and fill in the blanks. First one, you draw bedroom. I give you time. You use your own imagination. You draw bedroom. Okay? Children, I give you time. You draw now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Children, I think you draw. Next, below the first picture, bedroom has dash to dash. What's the answer here? Very good. Beds. Bedroom has beds to sleep. You can see the slide and write the answer. The next one, option B, bathroom. Option B, bathroom. Here also, you draw your own imagination. Here, you draw one bathroom picture. Okay? And then, we brush our teeth. Dash our teeth, brush our teeth and take a bath. Take a bath here. Brush. What's the spelling? B-R-U-S-H. Brush. And the next one, kitchen. Here also, you draw one picture. How is your kitchen? bottom of the place, you see your worksheet. Kitchen has a dash to cook dash. Okay, what's the answer here? Very good. Kitchen has a stove. Kitchen has a stove to cook what? Food. Okay, why ma? To cook food. Let us see next one. Okay children, next one, living room. Here also you draw living room. We sit or meet our guest in the living room. We dash. What's the answer here? Sit. S-I-T, sit. We sit or meet our guest. Guest relations, okay, in the living room. Children, let us see next one. Dear children, can you see our country name? Very good. India. What is our country name? India. Which is our state name? Very good. Tamil Nadu. Very nice answer. Tamil Nadu. Now look at the map. What is this? Children? Very good. Our country map. India map, outline map of India. Our country India has 29 states. How many states? 29 states. How many states ma? 29 states. We are living here. We are living here. What state this? Yeah, very good. Very nice answer. Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is our state name. What is our state name? Tamil Nadu. Tamil Nadu is our state. We are living in the Tamil Nadu state. Okay. And then next one. Now see the slide. Which is our country? Very good. Very nice answer. Our country is India. Okay. Which is our currency? Note. Our national currency is rupee. Our national currency is rupee. Our national animal is tiger. Our national animal is tiger. Our national animal is tiger. Our national language is Hindi. Our national language is Hindi. Our national capital is New Delhi. Our national capital is New Delhi. Which is our national capital? New Delhi. Okay. Our national flag is Tiranga. Very good. Our national bird. Our national bird is peacock. Very beautiful bird, isn't it? Okay, do you like this? Yeah, you like peacock. And the next one. Again I read this. Follow me. Our country is India. Which is our country? India. Our country is India. Our state is Tamil Nadu. Our national currency is rupee. Our national currency is rupee. Our national animal is tiger. Our national animal is tiger. And then our national language, very good, Hindi. Our national language is Hindi. Our national capital, very nice answer, New Delhi. Our national capital is New Delhi. And then our national flag is Tiranga. Our national bird is peacock. Okay children, who is our president? Can you say? I ask next class. Okay, you ask your parents or your neighbors class. Okay. Who is our Prime Minister? Anybody say? Yeah, very good answer. Our Prime Minister is Mr. Narendra Modi. Okay, very good answer. Let us see next one. Okay. Dear children, now you take your worksheet number 6, page number 79. Listen the worksheet. Match public places to the users in the table given below. Children, look at this. School, which is the answer? What is answer, ma? Very good, very nice answer. Children come here to learn new things and make friends. And the next one, airport. Yeah, very nice answer. People come here to take an airplane to go to other faraway places. The next one, park. What's the answer? Very good. What's the use of park? People come here. Children say. Very good. People come here to play, walk and have fun. And the next one, railway station. People come here to take a train to go to other places. And the last one, hospital. People come here when they feel sick. Children, now listen the worksheet. You see and match this. See the worksheet and match. Use the scale mark. Children, when you match this, you can take scale and pencil and match it. I give you time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Children, I think you finish. Let us see next one. Children, look at the board. This is the homework for you. Worksheet number 7. Worksheet number 7. Page number 80. Page number 80. You do the homework well. Okay. Now listen the slide. This is the homework for you.